We continue now with day 3 of the Michelle Troconis trial. Jennifer Dulos' nanny took the stand in Stamford today, wrapping up a long day of testimony. This is the same nanny who called in Jennifer Dulos' disappearance in May of 2019 and gave a lengthy interview to investigators that was used in the arrest warrant for Fotis Dulos and Michelle Troconis.
And we haven't heard or seen from her until now. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis with more.
The big dynamic change was in March of 2017, which is when Jennifer found out about his affair.
The nanny for Jennifer Dulos taking the stand in Stamford. State prosecutors cracking into the Dulos family dynamic before May of 2019.
She just felt like arguing with Fotis, like he was harsh and she didn't like conflict, so she could never really express how she really felt because it kind of got looked over.
Lauren Almeida testified that she met Michelle Troconis during a trip with Fotis and the children. She pointed out the defendant in the courtroom before court was adjourned for the day. The jury also heard testimony in the early days of the investigation into Jennifer Dulos' disappearance.
Did you conduct that test on Exhibit 13, the paper towel swabbing that you did?
Yes, I did.
And what was the result?
The test was positive.
Retired State Police Sergeant Matthew Riley breaking down positive presumptive field tests that led investigators to believe there was blood scattered around Jennifer's garage, followed by testimony about new evidence pulled from the garage.
That's another paper towel. It's a larger paper towel fragment with apparent blood-like stains.
Also, never before seen evidence inside her home, including one of those paper towel rolls containing a blood-like stain, stains on Dulos' counter and kitchen sink faucet, as well as disturbed trash bags, fingerprints, and rubber gloves investigators believe had a connection to the garage.
If you can imagine 3 fingers here.
In his cross-examination, defense attorney John Schoenhorn tried to convey to the jury that presumptive field tests have their limits.
You would need a confirmatory test done by a lab to see whether the presumption or assumption turned out to be correct, right?
Yes.
There was a sustained objection throughout testimony from defense attorney John Schoenhorn, arguing that any of the presumptive field tests would only confuse the jury. We're also expected to hear more from Lauren Almeida, the nanny for Jennifer Dulos, starting here in Stamford at 10 tomorrow morning. In Stamford, Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News.
And before the trial begins each day, you can get up to speed on the case with our daily special, Inside the Trial of Michelle Troconis. Our Shannon Miller will have exclusive expert analysis on the trial at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Then you can catch our live stream of the trial when court is in session on our streaming channel and app. We'll be streaming from inside the courtroom each day as soon as testimony begins at around 10 a.m.